Welcome to Brillians training video. Brillians is the new name for the application previously known as SupraVISTA. Today's topic is Brillians overview for the leadership. What is Brillians? Brillians is a collection of specialized apps. Like a modern cell phone, there is an app for every need. Brillians apps provide the features and tools which are missing in CPRS. All Brillians apps are designed to work efficiently. Most functions take 1 to 3 clicks, and a few seconds. All apps can be accessed with one click, ready to use, when you need them. There is only one login for all the apps. Collectively, the Brillians apps form a comprehensive, intelligent, cognitive support system. The VH provides the best care anywhere. Period. How do we continue to be the best? As we know, our challenges are growing. The ever-increasing healthcare needs of the veteran population. Customer service and patient satisfaction. The technology-related challenges for busy clinicians. The national shortage of providers and nurses. The staff recruitment, retention and turnover. How do we continue to be the best in the future? How can we continue to provide compassionate, efficient care, without compromising patient safety and quality of care? How do we achieve greater productivity without burning out the staff? Let us start with some facts. With electronic everything, the efficiency of clinical operations greatly depends on the information technology tools. Please consider the following. CPRS was created more than 20 years ago. In many areas, it does not meet today's needs. The transition to Cerner's EHR is about 7 years away. So, we need to make the best use of the tools we have today. The current clinical workflow is not fine-tuned for efficiency. In large part, this is due to the limitations of the technology. Brillians is a mature application which mitigates the limitations of CPRS, and creates workflow efficiencies. Let us talk about the technology challenges. The electronic health record systems, like CPRS, are designed to store and display data, not information. Most EHR systems have virtually no clinical intelligence to help the clinicians. The EHR systems offer raw data, but no actionable information to help make the clinical decisions. So, the clinicians spend too much time on the scut work of finding and analyzing the raw data to create the actionable information. As a result, the clinicians spend more time on computer care and less time on the patient care. How about impact of electronic health record systems on patient care? An American Medical Association study in 2016, using data from a variety of clinical settings and practices, found that 50% of the physician time is devoted to keyboarding. Only 1/3 of their time is free to interact with patients. Physicians also spent 2 hours each evening on the keyboard finishing the data entry. In clinical settings, the cognitive support offers the rare opportunity to positively impact 50% of the clinician time. Think about that. Here is something to think about: the root cause analysis of the clinical errors. As shown on this slide, a typical clinic visit requires completion of 10 discrete functions within 20 to 30 minutes. That is about 3 to 5 minutes per step. Each of these steps is important. However, it cannot be completed adequately within such a short time. This increases the risk of the overlooked clinical findings, and results in inadequate clinical documentation. A clinical error may occur if the provider fails to see that a problem exists. So, the clinical errors are primarily a data visualization problem. So, how does cognitive support help? The automated data analysis identifies the clinical issues which need further evaluation. The clinician can review a lot of additional, relevant data for each clinical issue with 1 or 2 clicks. The clinician can review all the relevant information about the concerned disease, or the body system. The clinician can search the medical record across all the data domains. In contrast, CPRS can only search the currently loaded progress notes. The clinician can easily download and search the remote data. To reduce the clinician's cognitive burden, Brillians provides many tools for the common clinical tasks. So, how does data analysis help? In 15 seconds, and nearly zero user effort, Brillians performs extensive data analysis that will take more than 2 hours, if done manually. Brillians displays a list of the clinical issues that need further evaluation by the clinician. A click on a listed issue provides a lot of additional information to help the clinician make a sound clinical decision. In addition to the clinical intelligence, Brillians provides many clinical tools for efficiency. The clinicians perform many clinical tasks which can be automated. Thus, they can produce a better product with less effort. To this end, Brillians provides many tools to enhance the clinician productivity. 1. The disease and body system-oriented views of data. 2. Creative ways to review the lab test results. 3. Many ways to search the medical record. 4. Download and search the remote data. 5. Letter writer. 6. Progress note writer. 7. Prescription writer for the non-VA prescriptions. 8. Medical calculators. And many more. Here is a little background information. Brillians is a mature product. It is installed in VA medical centers since 2006. Currently, it is in use in many VAMCs. Brillians is the winner of the 2016 VA Employee Innovation Competition Award. It is a commercial, off-the-shelf product, not a Class 3. It is approved for use by the VAIT on their TRM website. It is owned by a private company in Virginia. Brillians requires a small annual licensing fee. How about return on investment? The tangible return on investment is obtained in the form of 1. The dollar value of the time saved. Brillians makes all, especially the technology-challenged clinicians, more productive. 2. Improved third-party collections by better documentation and coding. 3. Overall positive impact on Vera investing. The intangible return on investment is achieved by 1. Preventing clinical errors, reduces the risk of lawsuits. 2. There is better patient safety and quality of care. 3. Brillians frees up clinicians' time for patient-provider interaction, resulting in the better patient satisfaction. 4. Efficient systems reduce the staff burnout. They reduce the cost of staff turnover and improve continuity of care. Thank you for taking time to review this presentation. We have many informative presentations on YouTube. Please search YouTube for Brillians Training or SupraVISTA Medical DSS. If you have any questions, please contact us at help.supravista@gmail.com.